Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect guys earphone to our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to disconnect guys your earphone to your Infinix phone device. So how can you disconnect today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting as you can see this type of settings. So how can we disconnect earphone guy? We will have to on phone setting means Bluetooth setting guys. So click on more connection and friends you can use your Bluetooth setting from here. So friends you can see we have connected guys this Ubon CL company earphone. We will right side option tap here. Friends you can see disconnect option guys, tap here to disconnect. After disconnect guys we cannot use guys. If we use we will have to only click, it will connect automatic with your phone. So like that guy we can disconnect guys earphone to our Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disconnect earphone to our Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends.